Hello folks, and thank you for stopping by. Well, I'm doing another product review, and this time around I'm doing a product review on the Jacriah USB powered mini soundbar. And I'd like to thank the folks at Jacriah, I hope I'm saying that name right, for sending this soundbar off for our review. And I'm so anxious to get my hands on it and start playing with it. So you know what? Without further ado, let's get started. Well, okay folks, well, we're at the part of the video we're going to actually go around and play around with the soundbar. So, I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And it comes to you like this, of course, and I got to keep it within frame here. So this is the soundbar. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. As you already know, if you've been watching this channel, I'm a real neat freak about opening boxes. Speaking of which, oh my goodness. I guess I just found a simple way to open the box. Okay, here we are. Alright. I'll let it slide out here. Okay. So, we have our gift card. Okay, cool. Got a gift card that came along with it. That's cool. Alright. So, packaging right here, and of course this is the soundbar itself. Wow, this is interesting. Okay, from what I'm looking at right now, it's pretty impressive. It's not too heavy. Let's see something here. I'm just going to sit it down for a moment, just see how it looks. Okay. So that's the deal right here. Okay. Alright. I'm checking out these cords here. Alright, so I'm pretty sure one of these hooks up to... You know what? I'm going to go ahead and read some more about it. That's the USB right here. Oh, that's interesting. It's got a headphone jack on here and a microphone jack on here as well. Well, we're definitely going to be playing this around with this. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and read through this manual that came with it, and I'm going to get back at y'all, so stay tuned. Okay folks, after doing some further reading through this manual right here, well, it's pretty simple to operate, really. Alright, now I'm going to show you something first before we do that. Alright, outlined clearly on the plug itself is where you basically will plug these plugs in front of your computer. And basically, this one right here with the headphone on it, you basically will plug this into the jack in front of your computer that just has this symbol on it, right? It just has this by itself only, and you will plug this part in, which is for the microphone, into the jack on it that has the microphone right next to the headset. Or on some computers, it's going to be like a microphone with it's going to be a headset that has a microphone piece onto it. You plug it into that part. And basically, that's how this works. And also, you want to plug this into your computer to power the soundbar itself. So, we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Do this right now. Do it right, you know. I'm still waking up. I haven't had my morning coffee yet, so bear with me. I will be getting some soon. Alright, so I'm just basically unraveling all this. Oh, by the way, when you get a chance, feel free to review all the other videos I have on this channel. And trust me, you won't be disappointed. You'll find out about a lot of stuff. So, and also subscribe to this channel. I need all the people I can get on here. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug this into the computer. I'm plugging this part in right now into the USB jack on the computer. So I'm doing that right now. Now I'm plugging the other plugs in like I was saying before. Alright, they all plugged in. Alright, everything's plugged in. Alright. Oh, it's already on. So check that out. Okay, I just turned it off through the knob right here. It's got a volume knob on here, as you can see. Turn it on. See that blue light come on. Alright. Let's see if we can get some sound to come through here. Alright, bear with me because it's on the computer right now, so I gotta hop on the computer over here and see if we can hear any sound. So just give me a moment. Alright folks, what I decided to do instead you know, this basically I wanted to see what I would be playing through the speakers on the computer screen, so I decided to do it this way. And the soundbar is right here. I'm gonna put this over the side here, and I'm just gonna let you listen to the audio while I'm playing videos for my TikTok channel. So you know, check out the sound quality. So here we go. So see, you definitely adjust the volume from the computer speakers themselves right here. Turn it down, see, turn it up, see. Now I got this loudest setting from the soundbar itself, but you can get on the computer here, go to your mixer settings on your Windows computer or whatever computer you hook it up to, and make it louder. Now, as you can see on the screen, I don't even have it all the way up. That's the setting right here, by the way. That's for the the sound you're hearing right now. So let me see something here. This is the actual speaker right here, so I'm going to turn that up. I'm putting it as loud setting, folks, on purpose. That's the loud setting, folks. So you can choose to either adjust the volume from the speakers themselves, or through the program you hooked up to, or anything. Actually, matter of fact, I'm gonna go through a couple of my videos just so we can gauge the sound quality. Oh, I like this one. This one I did recently. You gotta hear this. This will test the sound quality here. Well, that's cool. That sounds really good, folks. That's on my TikTok. Oh, this is my TikTok channel right here. Let's try another one. Just testing out the sound quality. Oh, this one right here. This one has a lot of bass, so I'm gonna play this one. I got pretty like a girl, and he got right stories to tell. See both sides like you know. See on both sides like you know. You can hear that bass. I mean, you probably can't hear it too good through the camera. Then again, you probably can, but you definitely can hear the bass. Well, folks, alright, stay tuned. I'm also going to show you how to hook this up without hooking up to the computer. So stay tuned. Alright, folks, well, you're at an extra part of the video. I just decided to add this little extra to the video so you can actually see the possibilities of what you can do with this soundbar. Now, as you notice, I have the USB plugged into a 5-volt adapter. All it needs is a 5-volt power source. You can get it from the computer or any 5-volt adapter, and I just plugged it up to this. And as you can see, it's on. Alright. And also, now keep this in mind, this is the microphone jack. You don't need to plug this in. You just plug this into your headphone jack on whatever sound source you have, and plug it into that, which in my case happened to be my phone, and you can play any audio you want. So I'm on my TikTok channel right now, and let's see, hold on, let me fix some stuff here, and now I'm gonna go ahead and play one of my videos. Sound quality is still great. I got on the last setting on here too. Let's check out another video. See? So you hook this up to any sound source. This is just for the microphone right here. Let's try another video. Another video. Okay. Ooh, you can hear that. Oh my goodness. Hear that bass? Let's play that one more time. Oh my gosh. You hear that bass? Oh my gosh. Alright, so the next segment I'm going to show you has a lot to do with the microphone. Apparently it has its own built-in microphone too. So check it out. Well folks, now we're at the part where we actually testing out the audio quality of, the microphone that's on the soundbar. And as you can hear, it's pretty good, I'm going, but you can use it in Skype though. Check this out. So I'm going to go here and boot up Skype. There's Skype. Where are you, Skype? There we are. And basically what you can do, basically what I just did here is I boot up Skype, right? And I'm going into my audio video settings on here. Audio video. And here I am. So, as you can see, you definitely can use it in Skype. Just make sure that on your mixer, on your computer, just hit the mixer thing, recording devices. Just make sure this is selected. This one has the green check mark. Make sure it's, for your microphone. That way, and also another way you know if it's working when you see this right here go up and down. So you definitely want to make sure that is working for you. As far as the microphone for the soundbar. And of course, if you're not particularly satisfied with the microphone that's on the soundbar, what you can do is basically on the back of here, let me show you, the back of here is these inputs. You see that? That's the input right there. And where the part that says the microphone, you can plug in your own microphone and you know, use that microphone instead of the microphone that's on the soundbar. But as far as the sound quality of the soundbar itself, it is wonderful, as you already heard. And you know, what can I say? So I'm gonna go ahead and leave an Amazon link in the bottom of this video so you can get the soundbar for yourself. And you know, you'll enjoy it, you know. So thank you for watching and have a great day.